All right, we are, this is the initial launch of a new boat for a customer. This one's got quad 300 Suzuki. Calm day, pretty day. Not the greatest day for a test ride on a catamaran, but it'll work.
It's beautiful. I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait. It's going to be fun.
These are tacos.
Well, I had the benefit of going out on the one in Wilmington, and so this boat comes up on planes so sweet. It just any kind of little chop, it just eats it up, and just this hull is awesome. It just runs great.